Alright guys, I'm doing a review of the San Pellegrino Dark Morello Cherry and Pomegranate. This is their version of bubbly or sparkling water. If you guys want to read the nutrient panel, there it is. And if you want to read the ingredients, there it is right there. Let's do a quick taste test. You can get this at Costco. I got it at Costco and it was on sale. So let's see how this one smells. Ooh, it's neat. That cherry taste reminds me of like a Black Forest cake. That cherry tart, but it's not sour, but it has that nice aroma of that cherry. It's different than the cherry from Bubbly. This one tastes more like a Black Forest cake cherry, so which is kind of cool. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.